Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a huge IKEA online shopping haul video. If you follow me for some time now, then you must be knowing that recently only we moved to our new home. It has been like 2 weeks or so, and how lucky we were that IKEA announced its first store in Delhi in the month of March, the month when we decided to move to our new home. And they also added cities like NCR, Lucknow for their online delivery. So that was my cue for shopping from IKEA for my new home. Clearly I shopped a lot, and for the purpose of this video I am segregating this video into 4 parts. Part would be decor category, and I'll show what all items I bought for decor purpose. The second category would be what all products I bought for my washroom. Then the third category would be what all products I bought for the storage and organizing purpose. And the fourth category is for all the products that I didn't cover in the first 3 categories. Let's jump to my first category, which is decor category. And in this category, I bought a lot of artificial potted plants. My first artificial potted plant purchase is this fun plant, and look at it. It looks so beautiful. I bought it for rupees 899. And I know you will be like, it is costly, dude. But hear me out. This looks so lifelike when I place it in my living room that you can't even tell that it's artificial plant from a far distance. I used to buy a lot of real plants, but if not cared properly, they used to die, and it didn't feel good when I saw them dying. So this time we decided that we will incorporate a mix of real and artificial plants. Second one is this artificial potted plant. This one is eucalyptus, and yeah, you can see it is so beautiful. It looks super cute in our living room. Love that it has light green leaves, so I kinda have a mix of plants with dark green leaves and light green leaves. I bought this baby for rupees 499. Next I have this orchid white plant, and you can see the flowers are so beautiful, and I bought this for rupees 599. It looks super pretty. Alright, moving on to next, I bought these 2 artificial orchid white flowers, and they look so beautiful. I bought each for rupees 299. I like to put them in a glass flask on my dining table, and not only does this looks aesthetic but also so lifelike. I'm so in love with this purchase. Okay, stay with me. I still have a few more plants to show. Next is this spiderwort artificial potted plant. I love the shading in this. As you can see, it has green and then this purplish shade, and this looks so beautiful. I think wherever I'll place this plant, it will add a pinch of colors to that place. I'm thinking to probably place this in my washroom to add some greenery there. And I bought this lovely plant for rupees 399. Okay, I'm promising this is my last artificial potted plant purchase, and you can see it has lovely rose flowers, has a very beautiful shaded pink colors. This will also add some colors wherever I'll place this. I'm thinking to maybe place this beautiful rose pink flowers in my washroom to make it more lively. Actually, in our new home, we have 3 washrooms, so I can place different potted plants in each washroom. I got this for rupees 499, and for that amount, I think this is a small plant, but nonetheless, I love this rose pink flowers. This is it for my artificial potted plants shopping. Now, I want to show you a beautiful table lamp that looks quite unique. Tantara! Ain't this a gorgeous piece for a lamp? Right now, I don't have the right bulb, and that's why I have not lighted it up. But I will buy it soon in my next IKEA purchase, and then I will show you how this looks when this is lighted up in a room. I think after assembling this, I will either place this in my living room or in my shoot room. Also, let me tell you, I bought this beauty for rupees 1499. That's it for my first category, and we will move on to next category. But before that, let me ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I create videos on beauty, travel and lifestyle, so please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new video. So with that note, let's continue. Second category is all the stuffs that I bought for my washroom. In my first order from IKEA, I bought this towel rack that comes with suction cup. Now it is my own house and I'm not a fan of drilling, so I was looking for a suction based product, and just that I found this product in IKEA. As you can see, I've already assembled this towel rack following the guide that came with this product. Let me show you how easy it is to fix this in the washroom, and it has a good grip. Also, you can adjust the size of this rack as per the measurements viable for your washroom. I really love this and I found it so good that I ordered 2 more of these for my other washrooms, as I already told you that I have 3 washrooms. I bought this for INR 599. Another product with suction cup is this corner shelf that I bought to place in the shower area of my washroom to keep the shower gel or shampoo and so on. I bought this for INR 399. Now I wanted to order 2 more of this for my other 2 washrooms, but by mistake I ended up ordering this corner shelf that also comes with suction cup. This also suffice my purpose though, so I was like, theek hai. I also bought these for rupees 399 each. These suction based products are really cool, solves the purpose without drilling and are quite sturdy. Then I also ordered some hooks with suction cup. You can see I ordered 3 of these. Each comes in a pair of 2 and I bought each pair for rupees 199. I'll probably use these hooks in my washroom to hang clothes or so on. Another type of hooks that I got is these adhesive ones, and I got them for rupees 349. Just remove this sticker and stick it on the wall, and I can use it to hang hand towels in my kitchen or in my washroom. Next, I got this 3-piece bathroom set for only rupees 199. It looks so aesthetic and I'll use it in my washroom. It comes with 1 dispenser, another piece to keep your toothbrush and so on. And this third case is a soap case, or you can use it to place these 2 pieces on this one. Achha, let me also show you the waste bins in this category, and I bought 2 of these. One in white color and another one is in black color that I have already kept in my kitchen. The white one looks so aesthetic and that's why I'm going to place this in my bedroom. And yeah, this is quite sturdy and comes only for rupees 99 each. Next, I have this beige color bath mat, and if you have noticed, I have bought most of the stuffs from Neutral Family. And this one I bought for rupees 299 and it's quite good for the price. I also want to tell you that whenever I'll give my house tour, you will notice that I have bought most of my stuffs in Beige Family. Like my most of the furniture, including this sofa, is from Beige Family. Next, I also bought a soap dispenser because this one was available for only rupees 79. This is a glass material and it has a beige color pump. It looks so aesthetic, so I had to buy it. Move on to my next category, which is storage / organizer category. First is this small plastic organizer that I bought for only rupees 29, and this I might use to keep my makeup products organized. Right now I have not been able to unpack all of my items because if you have been following me for some time now, then you must be knowing that I'm a mom and I have a 3.5 months old baby. So it is quite difficult to unpack the items. Like when she sleeps, then we get some time. At that time we unpack our stuffs. So yeah, once we unpack them, then I'll get more clarity on how to store my products. Still, I have purchased quite some products to store my products quite well. What I bought is this fancy multi-use hanger, and you can see I've already placed my so many scarves. I find it really good for organizing your small stuffs in the wardrobe. You can put your small necklaces, belts, or maybe sunglasses, and yeah, you can look. I've already made use of this so perfectly. I bought this for only rupees 299. Next I have is this storage boxes that comes with the lid, and you can see I have bought in multiple sizes. So I have this small size and then this big size. They are available in different sizes, so you can buy as per your requirement. These storage boxes can be used for different purposes, like you can use it to store your veggies in your refrigerator, or you can use this under your washroom sink to store some washroom products. I got this for rupees 159 and I bought 2 of these for rupees 478. Coming to this big transparent box that comes with the lid. It is so huge. Because it is transparent, it will be really easy for me to locate the products that I'll keep inside this box. But this sturdy box for rupees 639. I'll mostly use this big box to maybe keep my clothes in it. Next, I bought this beautiful basket with net weaving. I bought this for rupees 559. Font is very beautiful, so girly and cute. It has a beautiful blush pink color. I'll keep my skincare products in this. Next, I bought this white storage case for rupees 479. I have assembled this storage case and the quality of this looks quite good. It can store a lot of outfits. So I think I'll store my unused clothes in this one. I don't know if you have noticed, but even my storage boxes are in white color. Moving on to the next storage box that I ordered. This one comes with compartments, so maybe I'll use it to store my belts and sunglasses. Maybe I bought for rupees 239. Move on to my last category, which is to show all the products that I haven't covered till now. I'm quite sure that you are gonna find this shelf insert quite useful. Bought this big shelf insert for rupees 399. I also ordered two small self inserts that came for rupees 299 each. See, I've already assembled these self inserts and I've placed these in my kitchen cupboards. These self inserts helped me in organizing my shelf unit quite judiciously. Honestly, this self insert is of good quality and looks quite chic because of its white color. Next, check this fancy mug set out. I bought this for rupees 599 at a discounted price. I love how each mug piece is beautifully crafted. I'm going to use this to drink my green tea. On to my last purchase is this drawer mat roll. I bought 4 of them, each priced for rupees 199. I love the quality of these drawer mat and I've already placed them in my kitchen shelves and you can see it just right here. Placing a drawer mat like this will make sure that my drawer look neat and tidy all the time. That's it for my IKEA shopping haul video. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section below what products you like the most and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.